Hey guys, how's it going? Picked up another piss cutter, and I wanted to take you guys through it before I brought it out to the ranch. And this is what it is. It is a 2001 Volkswagen Cabrio, the little two-door convertible. It's pretty cute. I like the wheels that came on it. It's got some custom two-tone paint on it. And seems to be in good shape. The tires, not the best. They're more look like or they're Nitos. And anyways, just doing a walk around. Overall, it's not in bad shape. Anyways, let me show you the inside. The inside is not the best. The condition-wise, it looks okay. But if you look in the back, it's all moldy and gross, and it smells about as bad as it looks. You can see here. Yeah, gross. So I got some gloves on, so I'm gonna go through and show you guys what treasures I find in it. Guys, that's all I found for treasures in there. I just sprayed the whole interior with spray 9, so it's actually livable now. As I cough. And I found $1.46. But here's one of the good things about the car. It runs really good. Let's start it up. It's got the 2-liter gas motor. Not very powerful, but runs really good as it stumbles. Newer battery. Starter looks newer. Got some lights on the dash. Check engine. ABS. It's got 100 and this American car, 156,000 miles. Not too bad. So guys, what do you think I should call this beast? It's kind of cute, so it's kind of thinking like Cabby, like a pet name of a cabriolet. Or let me know what you think in the comments. So the good news, guys, is that the interior does not smell like mold anymore. It actually smells like spray 9, apple, and mold. So we got a little buffet there. So I'm gonna do a quick peek underneath, show you guys how good the floors are. Hope this turns out, but there's the floors. They actually look really nice. Got some high performance driving by. So yeah, even the rockers are, hopefully it's focusing on this. It's pretty close to the camera. You can see the driver's side floor is good. So we'll go to the passenger side. And the passenger side floor is actually good too. Except for, of course, there's always the exception, right? Right there, that's the carpet you're seeing. So it does have a hole in it. Now the question is it worth patching? Or is it worth not patching? I'll let the boss, Jamie, decide. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.